So if we've got this general function here, we don't know what it is. That's our fx. They put it on a nice little set of axes for us. They've asked us to sketch the graph of f of x plus 1. So try without looking down below. What does this tell us? If I've got x plus 1 in the bracket, what's happening to my right-hand side graph? It's moving which direction?
To the left.
Careful.
To the right.
Okay, remember if it's inside the bracket, it's actually going to be moving horizontally. And if it's a plus 1, which way is it going to go?
Right.
To the left. I don't think I may well have done, but there was lots of chit chat at the same time, and I wasn't 100% sure what people said. So, as you can see, this graph here goes through the point 2, 2. But their answer goes through the point 1, 2. So the whole graph has just shifted 1 unit to the left. As they've said here, translated 1 unit to the left. If we were writing that as a translation vector, what could we write? -1, 0. Nice. Thank you, Sarah Gladwin. Okay, this second one has got fx and then it's got a -2 stuck on the end. So which way is our function going to be moving this time?
Down.
Down. It's going to go 2 units down because it's a -2 and it's stuck on the end this time. So as you can see, the whole graph has shifted down 2 units. How would we show that with a translation vector?
2.
Nice. Okay, the next one has the negative sign inside the bracket. Okay, so when it's inside the bracket, which way do we reflect?
We're getting this wrong.
The x-axis, the y-axis.
It reflects in the y-axis. Good. So here you can see it was all on the right-hand side. Now it's all on the left-hand side. For D, it's got the negative sign in front. So where is that? That's going to be a reflection in the x-axis. And this last one has got a big 2 in front. So what does that mean? Where does
Vertical stretch of scale factor 2.
it's a vertical stretch. So good. So here it went through the coordinate 1, 1. Our new one is going to go through the coordinate 1, 2. This point went through 2, 2. It's going to go through the point 2, 4. 3, 2 is going to go through 3.
6, 4.
Remember, you're just doubling your y value. So the whole thing is shifting up by scale factor 2. So it's going to go through 3, 4 again. And then 4, 4, 5, 8. Okay, so this has been a vertical stretch of scale factor 2. Now these last 2 pages that we've got here are going to be very useful when it comes to doing questions here. Okay, so it's said generally what's happening to the... Can we stop? Please? Generally it describes what happens to the actual graph itself, but it then talks about what's happening to the x coordinates and the y coordinates for that kind of function. Now sometimes they may say, what happens to the coordinate 1, 2 for this function? So you would know if it was a coordinate 1, 2, but the x coordinate would stay the same, but my y coordinate would go up by 3. So the coordinate 1, 2 would become the coordinate 1, 5. Okay, so this is a very useful chart to have and to keep an eye on it when we're doing questions on it. I won't go through each one because you can look at it later. And this is just a summary of graphical transformations. Okay, so you can have a look at that as well. So we'll be practicing some of those next lesson. All right, ladies, you can pack up.